Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow copying content in your Telegram group chat on PC. If you've been having trouble copying text or media from your group, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the new update. First, open the Telegram app, Gears on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, navigate to the group chat where you want to allow copying. It's important to remember that you need to be in admin walls in the group to make this change, so make sure you have the right permissions. Now, enter the group chat you want to modify. At the top right corner of the chat, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to open a menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group settings where you can control various aspects of the group. Next, look for the Group Type option in the settings. This section lets you manage different permissions for the group. Click on Group Type, and you'll see several settings related to privacy and content sharing. Look for the option that says Restrict Saving Content. This setting is what prevents members from copying text or saving media from the group. If you want to allow members to copy content, simply disable the Restrict Saving Content option. Once you do that, people in the group will be able to copy text, images, and other media freely, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the setting to allow copying content in your Telegram group. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.